Stay away from the roots today. Just absolutely torrential downpour. It's gonna be so low. And we're stuck. Woo! Damn! That one threw me.
Oh, I had it in fourth.
Oh!
Just like, clap, clap, clap.
I have no idea where this trail goes, so...
I don't really know that one either, but I've never done this one. Check it out.
It is so wet up here. Alright, here comes Scott. Go, buddy, get it! Nice. That little rock section's gonna get me. Oh! That got me. Technically made it. Nice. I realized I was in third trying to get up that rock.
Oh yeah. I know that feels like.
I think riding this trail is going to be the stupidest idea right now. But I'm all for stupid, so let's give it a crack. Well, we're going all the way up to the top of that.
Yeah.
How long do you think until we get stuck?
I think
45 seconds?
no. No.
Well, it was quicker than 45 seconds.
This is gonna be tricky because usually it's like last couple times I rode this, it's just like. It's gonna be tricky.
I'm in the worst spot right now.
Right on where the plastic should be.
80s child.
But where you are, is that the way?
Yeah,
Alright.
it's torture.
That's so.
Man, it's so slippery.
It's pretty damn slick.
Yep.
No, I know.
There's no shame in having that.
Man, try to get on the high side. And like, see if you can spin your wheel like that to dig like a ledge. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Really?
There we go. Okay, now we just got to do that.
I might just be top. I'm gonna have a terrible time.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, this is slippery. Should have went the other way. Front wheel's gonna slide. Oh my god. Ugh. You guys, this is not easy. And we're like 10 minutes into our ride. And we've never ridden anything this hard before. So I think we're gonna come back another time. This is way too wet. Nice. Oh. That was close. Well, for another day, I guess.
Yeah.
Another day. All right, cool. We'll see you.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Thanks, buddy. Riding shit like this, I get so scared riding through a puddle that I'm just like a giant root or something's at the bottom and I'm just gonna eat shit. Kinda like that. Wouldn't be the first time I fell off through a puddle. Fuck, they're so fun to go through. Woohoo! Don't hit the front brakes. 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 Yeah. Should we dabble in left?
Yeah, let's dabble in left.
Let's dabble in left? Alright, let's dabble left. Probably gonna lead the boys down some sort of deathly shit like that. Woo! Oh fuck. I'm wedged under the rock.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, my peg went under the rock. Oh man, I'm gonna rip this rock out and I don't want to do that. What the?
You can't just kick it over on the right side? Like push the bike to the right?
That's what I'm trying to do.
He's wedged under the rock.
Uh-oh.
Maybe push it backwards.
There we go. Yeah, it was stuck under the rock.
Alright, lessons learned.
Yeah.
And I really didn't want to let that rock come out.
Yeah.
think I clicked into neutral. I didn't. Holy crackles. I hate roots. They honestly scare me.
That branch just takes you for a ride.
This close.
Yeah.
A little bit faster, I reckon. Oh, he's got it! Holy shit! How did I make that? Holy shit, this is so slippery. Woo! So steep, guys. He's going for it! Oh. You got this. Nice.
I started to let off the gas.
Good job, dude.
On that corner. Thanks for
Good
help,
job,
man.
Scott. No worries. Yeah, I ain't doing that. Nice. Pepper Town. Well, that didn't work.
Yikes.
Ouch, my balls. Yeah. Well, that one was a fail. We tried. That was a little too spicy in this condition. I feel like it was just dry beef. Well, I mean, it would be easier, but maybe I'd struggle to. I don't know. Oh man, that was hard.
Yep.
Wow. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. It's starting to get pretty dark, so we're going to make our way back to the truck and load up before it gets dark. But don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hopefully I'll get some more out to you guys soon. Cheers. Bye.